Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to recreate this eye look using this NYB liquid eyeshadow in Blue Sapphire. And if you want to see how I did this look versus how I like this, I mean if it is worth anything, yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go. So this is how it looks. I love liquid eyeshadow. Now there were like 6 shades, like okay, 6 very basic shades of copper, gold, silver and all that. What is actually weird is that they don't have like a metallic black. That is a weird thing. Like usually these type of eyeshadows do have like a metallic black and black something, which actually looks quite cute in the this liquid eyeshadow form, which they don't have. And this is how it looks now. Okay, this matches, right? That's why I'm wearing this top. Okay, so this is how it looks, and let me just give you a quick swatch of how pretty this is. See? Ooh. Now these type of eyeshadows are mostly the type of eyeshadows that you apply on the eyes and you are done. You don't need to do anything else. It can be a whole look in itself, but you guys know I am very extra like that. And I do have like a few other palettes over here. All the blues that I have, I just took them out because I don't know what I would need, right? I have this Swiss Beauty Ka single eyeshadow. I just bought this like 3 years back and I've never used it, so I don't know, maybe today is the day or maybe not, who knows. And this is Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Ice eyeshadow. You can use the Nika K Ocean Eyes one as well. That is pretty similar to this one. And all I need is these darker blues because we need to do something in the crease, right? And then we'll go in with this one as a topper, right, to see how it works. That is the plan. And I also have this BH Cosmetics Aquamarine palette, and the reason why I have this is because I really like this light color for the pop-off color in the inner corner. That is what I might just want. I don't know what I'm going to use, but let's just go. Okay, so we'll start off with this Forever Flawless Ice Wala palette. Now listen, you don't need to use the same palette. All you need is a darker blue color like this, or like this, like a navy blue and a royal blue matte color, and you are good to go from any palette, and it's enough. Okay, so let's start off with that. And I'm taking a fluffy brush and let's go in with H2O. This is the color, a navy blue color. These type of colors look really pretty in the crease. I'm doing a true blue after so long and I'm really excited. For this I am only using H2O with a very little tiny amount of freeze, and we'll just keep it in this darker color family. Right now it might look like way too much, but trust me, at the end it's all gonna come together. Now let's go into the shade Iceberg, and yeah, let's depthen the outer corner. Ooh. Why are these colors turning out a little patchy? Also, I'm taking it in the crease as well. Oh my god, the fallout. Let's just blend all this mess together. Right now we need a lot of blending. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me just push out the fallout and let's get into the real deal. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow and I want to see, I have not put anything over here. I just want to see if iska ek sheer coat, without any eyeshadow as a base, if this in itself is enough to give you that very opaque finish, right? So let's go in with it. Just this one. Okay. Ooh. I wouldn't say this is 100% opaque, but it isn't bad either. I just want to see if I can blend it a little bit in the crease, just for this to look a very meshed up look. Yeah, I think you can, right? It's not bad. One coat, I think I almost did like a 2 coat, and one dunk in the bottle is pretty much enough for one eye. I would say, like, it does the job. Yeah, it doesn't dry like bilkul quickly, so you do get like time for playing around and see how you want to do it. The opacity is good in my opinion, but I just want to give it like another coat for maximum coverage. I'm just taking some matte eyeshadow and I'm just trying to buff it yahan pe so that it doesn't look this stark and dark. Okay. Now let's move in with the lower lash line. Shall we? Oh, this is a bold look in my opinion. Okay, I'm going to take the same eyeshadow, right? This is what we are going to use. Okay, and I am just going to apply it. Wish me luck, you guys. I'm just taking it itna. Okay, and I'm just going to take brush and blend it. I think if you don't use any other eyeshadow palette, even then this is pretty much enough in itself. It's just that you just need a little bit of skills to make it work. And now I'll be taking the same blues from the palette and we are just going to darken it up. And also I'm taking the buffing side to blend all of this. Maybe it should look blended. Ooh, this is not bad now. Yeah, finally the thing I wanted to do was the inner corner highlight and I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. Let's just try with the Swiss Beauty one and let's just take this on the brush. Let's hope. Let me just finish with the liquid eyeliner and a little bit of blue kohl in the lower lash line, and I think this look will turn out a bit better. Okay, so yeah. So yes guys, this is the final look. I applied eyeliner, I applied some blue kohl. The one I applied from the blue kohl is also from NY Bay. So yeah, that is that, and this is the final look. I think I'm doing this look. I like it. As I said, you know, this look won't look good until the end, and I think it just looks fine at this point. And you know what, cherish your hair as long as it's a dry static season, because once it's humid you are just going to hate it. And yeah, that is exactly where I'm at right now. I'm absolutely hating it. Whew, yeah, but whatever, let's just roll. I think this look is good. Okay, and I think I really like this one, this blue eyeshadow. I am liking it. 2 layers. Also, one thing, if you remember back in the days, if you have been an old person on this channel, I actually once reviewed Wet n Wild के liquid eyeshadows, and that actually had this thing कि ना जब आप उसको layer up करते थे तो वो बीच में से crack होना शुरू हो जाता था. This is actually sturdy. It has stayed well, and I think we do have a winner over here. Okay, so if you really like blue color, like I absolutely love blue color, you can definitely give this a try. Or you can try out some you know, easier colors like copper and bronze and, you know, gold and all that stuff, whatever you like, whatever suits your style. Okay, and yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.